Yeah, hi everyone. Welcome to Noyo Foundation. And this session is about comma operator and printf and scanf. Printf and scanf. See, comma operator. It is there is nothing much about comma operator. So same program I use hash include stdio.h. As you know, in C language, first we have to include the supportive header file. So here I am using the header file stdio.h for printf and scanf. Then int main. So main is a function. So in C language, we use functions. So main is a function which expects a integer value as return. So since it's int main, I give return 0. So this 0 is returned upon successful execution of our program. If it returns other than 0, that means there is an error in our code. Or you can use void main, no need to return any value, but you always use int main and return 0 so that we know that program has executed successfully. What is comma operator? See, for example, if I give int a equal to 2 and I can print the value of a. So a equal to percentage d slash n comma e. We know this will print a equal to 2, but we need to use comma operator. So Arun underscore comma operator. Let's save it as C source file. Okay, I execute it. When I run it, you know for sure it will print a equal to 2. So I'm running this script file. It printed a equal to 2. What will happen if I give a equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7? In this case, which value will be assigned? Will it compile? It will compile. There is no error in the code, it will compile. I used bracket for associativity. So the rightmost value will be assigned to E. Previously, I assigned A equal to 2. There was no confusion. A was assigned the value 2. Now I am giving like this. You will think this is an array, but it is not an array. For array, we have to use curly bracket. I've used ordinary brackets. So in this case, the rightmost value will be assigned, which is 7 to E. Let's check. So I am running the program. It will print a equal to 7. Can you see? There is nothing wrong in this code, but it printed a equal to 7. This is about comma operator. Now about printf and scanf. See, this printf and scanf function also returns a value. So printf and scanf function returns value. This is a function. A function should return. Okay, once the function executed, it has to return to its original position. In that case, printf scanf also returns value. If we need, we can use. If not, we can leave it. Okay, it is up to you. See, for example, I am printing in this line. I give printf hello world, one slash in. So we know for sure it will print hello world. But then where it is returning a value. If I run it, you can see it prints hello world. See, I printf returns an integer value. So I give integer b equal to printf hello world. How many characters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Within double quotes, we have 12 characters. Space also one character, slash and also one character. So it returns the length of the characters printed on the console screen. So in that case, B should be 13. Am I right? That is the length of the character. We will print the value of B. So I save it, again I run it. It will print the value 13. Can you, sorry, 12. It printed 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The length, how many characters it printed, that length it returned, it is stored in B and B is 12. This is about printf. Then what scanf? Scanf, we are going to get the input. So scanf, we are going to get the input. In that case, for example, so in C language, variables has to be declared at the beginning. We have already used a b variable. So for example, I give c d e f g h, or g is enough. Okay, so using scanf, we are going to get the four values c d e f. Enough, four values is enough. So we are going to get c d e f. So before inputting the value, I give instruction enter 4 integer, enter 4 integer values. I ask the user to enter 4 integer values. I give scanf percentage d comma c d e and f we have to get. I don't think so comma is required. So percentage d, percentage d. What are the values we get? First I assign to C. And of C means address of C. This address of C, this value will, what value we give will be stored. So and of C, and of D, and of E, and then and of F. There is nothing in this. We are just going to get the input from the user. So I execute the script. It is waiting for the input. So I give 2, 3, 4, 5. So A is 7, A is 7 is assigned, allowable is printed, B is 12, and the four values which we enter are assigned. Now in this case, scanf also returning a value I told. So I get the return value. Integer g equal to scanf. You can check whether how many inputs you have given and that many number of inputs are got. In that case, we can use scanf. So g equal to percentage d slash n comma g. So this scanf should return 4 for us since we are given 4 inputs. So you can check in code whether 4 inputs are allotted values. So scanf also returns value which is nothing but number of inputs we give. Here we give 4, so it will return 4. So I give 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you see g equal to 4? This is about scanf and printf. So every function in C returns a value. If you need, you can use it. If you don't want, you can execute it how you want. You can just execute the code. Now, see, I give integer a equal to printf, printf percentage d comma 1 2 3 4 5 I am giving printf percentage d comma 6 7 6 7 8, and then I give printf percentage d comma 9 8 9 8. Do you think this will execute? It will execute. Do you, if I give a we have already used, so we will use h. See, I am giving an expression inside bracket and I am assigning it to h. So in what order it will get executed is my question, and what will be the value assigned to h. So it will evaluate from left to right, but we know rightmost value will be assigned. What is rightmost value? Two characters are print. So 2 will be assigned to h, and this printf also gets executed. So it will print 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 8 it will print. First we'll check what is the output, then we'll print the h value. So we have to give input 1 2 3 4. Can you see 1 2 3 4 is printed, then 6 7 8 9 8. From left to right it is valuated. H will be assigned the rightmost value, which will be 2. I am printing the value of h also. So h equal to percentage d slash n comma h. So if I run it, h should have got the value 2. Rightmost printf prints 98. Can you see h is assigned a value 2. H is assigned a value to that is rightmost printf. This is about comma operator and printf. Now for example, I give printf, printf, I give printf, I give percentage d slash n comma 324. So what will 3245? Will it work? I am using printf inside printf. It will print 3245 and what it returns. So we have to give printf percentage d comma. Here also percentage d comma. So we'll save it, we will execute it. It should be double quotes. So printf percentage d comma. We'll save it, we'll run it again. So we have to give the input for scanning. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you see it printed 3245? This is printed first, rightmost printf is printed, and what it returns? It returns 4. So okay, 3245 is printed, slash and also there. So 5 characters it has printed, so it is returning 5, and this 5 is printed. Only one character is printed, so it returns 1. So this one is printed here. So this way also we can use printf function to print it. Yeah, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next session.